सरकार खुद ईरान का सपोर्ट नहीं कर रही है, लेकिन ईरान इंडिया की सत्ता का सपोर्ट करते हुए चाय पे लिख रहा है कि इंडियन पीपल वो चाय छोड़ रहा है। क्या मैसेज आता है?
मैसेज यही जाता है कि देश की जनता ईरान के साथ है और देश के जो सत्ता पक्ष में बैठे हैं वो इजराइल के साथ हैं। यही मैसेज आता है।
So you mentioned the phone call. Now there is a New York Times report which states that it was just not a conversation between President Trump and Prime Minister Modi, but Elon Musk was also part of these conversations.
I'm shocked. In fact, if this news report is right, I'm totally shocked. The Prime Minister should have objected. No private person should be allowed to participate in a conversation between two heads of state.
ओके, एक और तरह वो है कि पश्चिम बंगाल में एक जज साहब है, उनका नाम भी कट गया है।
मैंने बताया ना, तो आई ऑल माइसेल्फ सेड ऑलरेडी, इट इज शॉकिंग कि नाम कट गया। वो रिटायर्ड जज हैं और अब वो ट्राइब्यूनल में अपील करेंगे। ऐसे तो देखिए, उनके पास तो साधन भी है अपील करने का। ऐसे लाखों लोग हैं जिनके पास साधन भी नहीं है, और अपील की जो जहाँ ट्राइब्यूनल ने बैठना है उसी का अभी तक गठन नहीं हुआ। बाकी बात तो छोड़िए।
PM called the CM, APG production is increasing in Ghana.
Sorry?
The APG production is increasing in Ghana. PM brought to CM.
What production?
LPG.
LPG.
Yeah.
No, LPG production is good in this country. It's about 50% of what our needs are. But the question is that the production cannot be increased to overnight. So it always takes time to increase production. But that's why the point is most poor people use their gas. They don't have the piped facility. So therefore, see, war only impacts the poorest. आम आदमी मरता है, आम आदमी का नुकसान होता है, बड़े बड़े लोग अपने महलों में रहते हैं, उनको क्या तकलीफ होती है? हाँ, ट्रम्प साहब को क्या तकलीफ है? कोई मर जाए, लाखों लोग, मतलब 72 लाख लोग वहाँ पैलेस्टीन में मर गए। किसी ने कुछ कहा? हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कुछ कहा? नहीं कहा ना, एक बयान तक भी दिया। 72,000 people were killed. Nobody, even the Prime Minister, never said a thing. Even our Prime Minister has not said a thing about the alleged assassination or assassination of Khamenei. He has not said a thing, which is unfortunate. I mean, any attempt by any country, no matter how powerful it is, to assassinate the head of a country in this fashion requires the world to stand. And remember, Iran is not Venezuela.
You spoke of the prolonged implications of this war. Even if, let's say, the war will end soon, it will have prolonged implications.
Yes.
India generally has a very diplomatic relations with all sides. What would you suggest? What is the ideal way to be in the game of diplomacy for us, country like India, under our PM?
But I don't understand it. If you take strong positions, like what did he say in Knesset? If you really look at his speech in the Knesset, what did he say? I'll give you it. I have it with me. Give me a minute. इन्होंने कहा कि we stand by you. Here's the speech. कहते हैं, India stands with Israel firmly, with full conviction in this moment and beyond. Our deepest condolences of the people of India for every life lost and for every family whose world was shattered in the barbaric terrorist attack by Hamas on October 7. No cause can justify the murder of civilians, while civilians are being killed in Iran as well. Nothing can justify terrorism. We feel your pain. We share your grief. And then he said that Israel is their fatherland. That's the people who are in Israel. And India, their motherland. We are proud of them. I don't know how India becomes their motherland. I mean, I don't understand this. So you're right in your question. But if you take such strong positions without the nuanced diplomacy, then it'd be difficult to manage. Iran, of course, also needs to sell oil. Iran has no financial resources at this point in time. वो तो बेचेगा ही तेल, क्योंकि उसके पास तो और कोई साधन भी नहीं है आमदनी का. वो तो तेल बेचेगा और हिंदुस्तान को जरूर बेचेगा, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत है. एक 1.4 बिलियन पीपल, हम तो सबसे बड़ी मार्केट है, तो हमसे तो खरीदेगा. लेकिन उन्होंने एक संदेश दे दिया कि आपकी जनता की वजह से हम खरीद रहे हैं. उनकी सहानुभूति हमारे साथ.
Jessica said India not broken.
Sorry?
Jessica said India not broken.
What if it
Was in
Yes, I know that, but I don't know. Then what do you mean by a broker? See, India is not a broker. That's right. And so Egypt is a broker, Pakistan is a broker, Turkey is a broker. Is that good diplomacy according to you?